Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil and in this Electron.js video tutorial we will learn what is process module and why we call it shared API also. So let's take a look on the points of this video, then we will jump on practical example. We will learn what is process module, how we can use it inside render and main process, and process modules have some important properties, events and feature, and we will take some examples of these things like process type, property, platform, hang, crash and etc. And let's just look on the first question, what is process module? So this is basically a object that is extended from the Node.js process, right? But Electron.js also adds some feature inside it like some events, properties and method. And with these events and properties, you can access various kind of properties from operating system, from your Electron and all. Or like say you can access your environment, you can access your architecture, platform, version, etc. and many other things also. So now let's start with the practical example. So yeah, one more thing, why we call it shared API, because this is a single process that can be accessed with the render as well as in the main process. So we will see how we can do it. So first of all, let's check it inside a main process. So just take a console.one, and you don't need to import anything from Electron or something somewhere else. Just simply write here process, and you will just get all of its properties and events and all, right? Just write here npm run watch, and here you can see that we got all properties, events, everything about process module. So that's okay, but whenever we are just going to use it inside our render process, so let's take a script here and just take a log and write here process. Now you will just find a small problem with it, so let's take a look on it. Just reload it, and now you will find that process is not defined because we did not allow yet to use process module inside render process. For that we just have to add a property web reference and just write here node integration, and let's make it true. Now we can use our process module inside our render process also. So just go to the view and open the tag, and here you can see that all properties and everything here, right? So now let's start with the small things like how we can just get to know that we are using what process. So just simply use here process dot type, and it will tell that here you are using a browser process. Here you can just see browser, right? And whenever you will use it inside HTML or the render, then you will find that it will just return a render process. Here just reload it, here you can see that. Alright, that's great. Let's check some more things like how we can just check the versions here. Just put here versions and reload it, and now you can see that we got the many kind of versions like node version, and after that we just got the Unicode version, node is here, and Chrome version is here, and Electron version is here, right? And you can also just get a platform with it, so just simply put here platform, like this, and now you can see that this is my Windows 2 with 32-bit system, right? Windows with 32-bit system. And yes, one more very important thing, you can also hang your application. So let's see how we can do it, and this is really interesting and funny thing. So just write here hang me, and here you can just simply use here on click function, and just put here process dot hang. but how we'll just get to know that your system is hanged? For that, what I'm just going to do, I am going to make a set time interval, put here interval, let's say 500 millisecond, and just make a console.warn, and just you can also add here new date, anything whatever you want, and now let's try to use it. Now you can see that we are getting date here, right? So whenever I will just click on it, now you can see that these dates are actually stopped from here because our system is actually completely hanged. So with that way we can also use hang, and some more important functions. You can also just crash your application, and you can just get the exact path and version, many kind of things, and you can also use some events here and properties here, and that's all for this video. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video.